I ran out of space on my memory card right in the middle of today's painting session. So I'm sorry because I didn't capture it because I was in the flow and I didn't want to stop and get out of it. So I'm sorry. I didn't videotape today. But let's take a look at what I did because it is coming together so well. I love it. So we've got this one. And I'm gonna color balance this one once I have the whole thing painted in because I'm working off of two reference images. One is of this scene itself. The other one is for the lighting. I'm not making it up because I'm very much looking at the references, but I don't know exactly how they're all going to relate to each other. The second one I did today was this one, which I'm obsessed with. I think this one came out so well. I love those mountains and the color of the sagebrush and how it all relates to one another. Let's see if I stay blurry. Okay, perfect. That's what I was hoping for. I might be blurry when I talk, but you'll get to see more of the painting. I've noticed in a lot of videos that's been lacking, where it'll like focus too much on me. Which is, you know, that's thanks, camera. I appreciate it, but I'm sure most of you are following this channel not to see me watch a painting, to look at a painting. Hi. It's 1 in the afternoon, which is significantly later than I normally start. I'm anxious and overanalyzing the cow already because I love the painting so much and I want the cow to be perfect and it worries me. And that anxiety also makes me create excuses to not keep painting. So I'm drinking really hot chocolate and I'm talking to you until I continue to waste time and don't make a decision, and enough time has passed that I just don't paint today. I should do it. I should just do a little bit of the cow. Let me just look at my iPad. See, sometimes I just need to sit in here for a little while. There is a spider somewhere in this room.
Country lanes and coastal plains, endless views that we're passing through, making our way to a distant place, just us two, somewhere new.
Other than that, as you can tell even from this video, like it's dark, so we're just gonna go do other things. Step on the moving treadmill. am gonna do with this last little bit of time before I have to go do evening chores is watch some YouTube videos of other artists doing artistic things for inspiration and fun.
Fade into the night. With you, my arms, nothing can go wrong.
Coffee, water, supplements. I ended up applying to another art competition, which is really exciting. So that brings me to 5 in total for a New Year's goal, and to kind of get that many done in that short of a time is pretty awesome.
Just us two, somewhere new, somewhere new. Just us two, I'll follow you to somewhere new, somewhere new.
That big storm blew through here and it's been in like the negatives, very cold. Due to that, I've been, like, most of my attention has been on making sure animals are okay, that water's going well, that our house doesn't freeze, that like firewood's taken care of. Today, regrettably, I did not make it into the art studio. It's getting too late already, and there was just other more important things that I kind of had to tackle. Also, because of where I live, snow oftentimes ruins our Wi-Fi connections, so I basically have no Wi-Fi at the house, which makes working pretty difficult.
The light is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both
Much better. I was kind of struggling with how I wanted the water to look. I have a few references that I'm looking at, and both are in a different perspective, so it really came down to analyzing the perspective that I want. You want to see how snowy it is? So much snow. I want to show you how cute my little kitty is. Her name is Mouse, Mousy, or Mouser, or Meowsy, really is what we call her, because she has the cutest little meow, and she's an absolute hunter. But
such a sweet light, escape this town with me. Escape this town with me.
if I was to do anything just based off of how I feel right now, maybe a little bit more highlights on the horns, but I have to remember that I'm also looking at a photo. In real life, exposure isn't blown out in real life. It's always balanced. You don't see like that ultra white that you would in a photo. That's where just because it's in the photo doesn't mean that it belongs in the painting, because that doesn't really exist in real life. So oh my gosh, you guys, I made it into a 1000 video, which makes me so happy. Like, it wasn't a shout out or anything, but I sent in some of my stickers to him, and mine are right on top. I'll put the screenshot right here. It's so minor and little, but the fact that 1000 has even set eyes on artwork that I've made makes me so happy. So that was kind of an odd but like fun thing today that happened. This storm has been so interesting. Not only did our septic basically stop working, so I've basically been camping for the last week. We blew a pipeline, so there was like water just flooding, so I had to take care of that. Our Wi-Fi and cell service is out, so that's been out for like a week. I haven't been able to really post on social media unless I hike out there and post it, which in negative degree weather is not really what I want to be doing. It's been a week, you know? And then the horse's water froze, so like I had to take care of horse water, and it was a proper storm. All right, that's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like any of the paintings that you see in this video, they are on my website. They will be part of the upcoming collection release. And all of that can be found in the description box below. The new thing that's down there is I also have affiliate links. So I don't obviously have any sponsors in my YouTube videos. So check out those links. They're companies that I use regularly, and I wouldn't be their affiliate if I didn't already use and love their products. So I do get a little bit of benefits from that, and I would really appreciate it if you could check that out, because again, I want to do this for a long time. I want to continue to make videos for you, and I can only do that if I make money doing it. So check out my website, check out the affiliate links, and most importantly, thank you for watching, thanks for joining, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.